If you're seeing GOG Error E4, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step, so you can get back into GOG Galaxy and keep gaming without the frustration. We'll start with the simplest solutions first, then move into account and connection fixes, and finally look at updating or reinstalling if the issue still isn't resolved. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing to try is restarting GOG Galaxy. This sounds basic, but it often clears temporary glitches that cause sign-in or connection errors. To do that, open Task Manager on your computer. You can usually do this by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape, or by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing Task Manager. Once Task Manager is open, look through the list of running apps and find GOG Galaxy. Click on it once to select it, then right-click it and choose End Task. This fully closes the program instead of just minimizing it. After that, wait a few seconds and then reopen GOG Galaxy. Many times, simply restarting the app will refresh the connection and clear the E4 error. If the error is still showing up, the next thing you want to check is your internet connection. GOG Galaxy needs a stable internet connection to authenticate properly, so if your connection is weak, interrupted, or unstable, it can trigger this error. Make sure you can browse other websites normally and that your network is working correctly. If things seem slow or inconsistent, restart your router and modem. Unplug them, wait about 30 seconds, then plug them back in and let the connection fully restore. Once your internet is stable again, try launching GOG Galaxy one more time and see if the issue is gone. If you're still getting the error, the next step is to log out and log back in again. Sometimes your account session can become corrupted or stuck, and refreshing the login can fix it. In GOG Galaxy, click the Settings gear icon, then click Settings. From there, look for the Manage section. Next, go to Login and Security. In that area, select Log Out All. This signs out your account on the app and can clear any broken authentication data. After logging out, close GOG Galaxy completely, reopen it, and sign in again with your GOG account details. This fresh login often resolves authentication-related problems very quickly. Another common cause of GOG Error E4 is a VPN or proxy connection. If you're using a VPN, turn it off temporarily and try again. Also check your proxy settings and disable them if they're enabled. GOG may block or fail authentication when a VPN or proxy is detected, especially if the server location or network routing looks unusual. So if you're running any privacy tools, it's best to disable them for now and test the login again. If none of those steps work, then it may be time to update or reinstall GOG Galaxy. First, go to GOG.com and download the latest version of the app. Installing the newest version can fix bugs, missing files, or compatibility issues that may be causing the error. If the problem still continues after updating, uninstall GOG Galaxy completely and then reinstall it fresh from the official site. A clean reinstall can replace damaged files and reset the application so it starts working normally again. So to recap, if you want to fix GOG Error E4, start by ending GOG Galaxy in Task Manager and reopening it. Check that your internet connection is stable, log out all sessions from the security settings, disable any VPN or proxy, and then update or reinstall GOG Galaxy if needed. These steps solve the issue for many users and are the best place to start before trying anything more advanced. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.